Gah! Sorry, I thought I saw a spider.
Audience, welcome back to TGTBackstage. We're just chilling back here. Happy 4th of July.
Okay?
What?
Yeah,
Wait, what?
somewhat.
Are you okay?
Somewhat. I almost died over here.
As you can tell, that was not a part of the original plan. I just like being different. By the way, it is the 4th of July.
As I just said.
Yes, and we have already hurt ourselves blowing things up.
Yeah, I burned myself with a lighter on my thumb.
I burnt myself with a used firework, for God's sake. Granted, I was trying to catch it on fire again, but you know,
What did Ethan do?
What did I do? I almost blew my hand up with one of those crackling balls.
He's a bit of a lightweight. It's okay. You know me and those balls. He is excellent at finding balls, by the way.
By the way, background music provided by...
TGT cluttered up by a whole bunch of shit on his desktop.
TGT.
Because Gene can't
Token.
keep the computer clean.
Yeah. Hey.
That is the TGT laptop?
It
looks like a computer's. Let me fucking Christ. It looks like a teacher's computer.
It
Like,
actually
there's
does.
stuff all over it. You can't keep it clean. You suck. All you have to do is like drag it into your documents, label folders, put shit away, and be all nice and clean. But no, you
As
can't
Zoid-
fucking see the desktop. All you can see
Okay,
is
so-
internet media
okay,
of
so-
countries like Australia. Like the other place.
Okay, so our vlog has now been ranting about how cluttered my desktop is.
The only thing you can see all of is Australia. It's just sitting down there being Australia. And you can see internet media. And other than that, there's just shit.
Alright, so this has turned into, from a 4th of July vlog to a
Gene's about Gene's shitty computer vlog.
It's not shitty, though.
Well, it's not shitty, but you put shit all over it. You've made it shitty.
I think there's hair
You've
in my
made
mouth.
it look shitty anyway.
There is not hair in your mouth. Extreme close-up.
Extreme.
Whoa. Out of my grill, man. Out of my grill.
Oh,
Don't
sorry.
make me throw you like that.
Found it.
With that guy on Scooby-Doo.
What the... Jesus, what was that?
That was a hair.
I
that was in
believe
my-
that was a squid. I've some sort. Left over from Chinese 4 months ago.
with residue of that of that Mexican food that we had.
Residue of a Mexican.
Well, of the Mexican.
Thomas, are you eating Mexicans again?
It's not Mexican food. It is just a Mexican.
It's just Mexican.
Thomas has been eating
That
Mexicans
explains what that explains where Lewis went all summer.
I thought you were gonna say Lupe.
Are you just going to fall again?
Oh my god.
Thomas Squares, quit sagging. You know what? You know where that trend came from?
But I want to get butt raped.
By the way, since we're oh my god,
I love
Thomas, you're getting a little bit too clingy.
I love you.
You're getting a little bit too clingy. I might have to break up with you. I like how I don't love you back. By the way, since we're in Pittsburgh, we should probably sponsor Gorillas.
Why are you fisting that gorilla in the butt?
Why is it shitty all over your arm?
It looks like a
yeah. Oh.
It doesn't look like feces. It looks like it's in lower intestines.
Next thing you know, Thomas rolls on the floor laughing again.
Every day I'm shuffling.
Call this.
We should do a nice screenshot of Thomas's ass. That way, all on YouTube will see his perky candy ass. His candy apple ass.
You like what you see, guys?
Hey, like one of your French girls.
Alright, post a comment. Post a comment if you like Thomas's candy apple ass. Post a comment if you like his French pose.
Post a comment if you are...
God, what does that smell, Gene?
I just
What do you step in?
I didn't.
Post a comment if you stepped in something smelly, apparently. Because I never got to finish what I was saying.
What were you
I don't
going
even
to
know.
say?
I don't even know now. You guys just blew my mind.
Post a comment if you like Deadmau5.
Which is what the music was originally provided by.
We have no idea which one it's on, by the way. We're just going to say that it's... But
Please.
we're going to give you the link to the YouTube playlist because we just had it on.
Yeah.
Please don't sue us. Please.
I love you,
No
Dead-
copyright, and by the way...
I love you, Deadmau5.
Yes. By the way, I'm gonna scare the crap out of Ethan by doing this.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I don't want to be in your chest. I don't want to be up there.
Hi, Ethan.
Oh my god!
This has been yet another productive episode of TGT Backstage.
What did you just do? Oh, okay. Okay, Ethan. We all know that you like Thomas's ass, but okay.
I was pretending to use scissors to slit your throat.
Oh, okay.
I'll pretend to use this hook to slit your throat.
You're now
That was the
headless.
noise of a slitting throat, by the way.
Yes, it goes like...
Post a comment if you like blood and gore.
Why the hell are we still going? We've been talking too long. This is stupid.
Okay, that's awkward.
Turn it off!